Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are doing very well at your home with your parents. Okay? And now we listen to a small and beautiful story. Okay? And the name of the story is Ila the Elephant. Ila the Elephant. And I'll introduce to you some new words. New words in the sense the words which we are, characters which we are going to see or listen in the story. Okay. The first character is Ila. Ila the baby elephant. हमारा कहानी में ना सबसे important role कौन सा है, किसका है? Ila. Ila the baby elephant. And you know what? Baby elephants are also known as calf. Calf. They are also known as calf. And elephants are having some special features. You know, they have long trunk, short tail, and with the help of this long trunk, no, they can suck and spray water, right? Spray water. And they can even lift heavy things also with the help of their long trunk. And the next character is mother elephant. Mother elephant. Okay. Mother elephant is also important character. The next one is monkey. Monkey. Monkey is having long tail. You know, they are having long tail, and with the help of this long tail, no, they used to hang on the tree. Okay. And the next character is a deer. Hiran. A deer. Hiran. Deer. And you know, they look so pretty. Deers are very pretty, and they are having some beautiful spots on their back. Okay. The next one is a beautiful rabbit. A rabbit is very small and it looks so beautiful. And you know what rabbit loves to eat? They loves to eat carrots, right? Yes. The next character is a cheetah. A cheetah is an animal with small ears. Small ears, and some black spots are also there on their body. So now we listen to our story. Okay, we'll start our story. The name of the story is Ila the Elephant. Okay. So one day, Ila, our baby elephant, was coming back from the forest after a small walk. Okay, she was coming back from the forest after having a small walk, right? And she reached home. After reaching home, mother elephant noticed that Ila was looking so sad. She was looking so sad. She was not happy. So mother elephant asked Ila that, what happened, my dear? What happened to you? Why you are looking so sad? Why you are looking so sad? So Ila started to speak. She told her mother that, Mama, while I was having a walk in the forest, no, I saw some of the animals, and you know what? They all look so pretty. But why am I like this? First I saw a monkey. You know, I saw a monkey with long tail. And look at me, mine is so short. Mine is so short tail. And with that monkey, you know, Mama, with that long tail, he can hang on the tree. With the help of that long tail, he can hang on that tree. And I am having such a small short tail. Then I saw the beautiful deer, and the deer was so pretty. The deer was looking so pretty, and it was having some beautiful spots on its back. And look at me, I am so huge, I am so dull, right? Why am I like this? Then I saw a beautiful rabbit, Mama. That rabbit was hopping like anything. It hops so happily. But look at me, I'm so big and so huge, I can't even jump. Then I saw a beautiful cheetah with her cubs. The cheetah was having small ears, and look at mine, I'm having such a big ears. Mine is so big ears, and why am I like this? And hearing everything, my mama elephant smiled at Ila, and she told Ila, she tried to make her understand some points, right? Some important features, special features what Ila was having. So Mama Elephant started to say that, Ella, my dear, you know what? You are such special creature which God has created. You know what? You can use your long trunk to suck water and you can spray it out. And with the long trunk, you can even lift heavy things and you can move things around. Right? Then maybe you are grey, you are dull, but you know what? You are the strongest animal around your in your young age. आप इतने छोटी उम्र है फिर भी आपको पता है कि आप कितना strong है. And seeing you, other animals get amazed. See how big and strong is this elephant. Other animals used to say like that. No. Right? So Mother Elephant, after hearing everything, and she even also told an important thing that what you are special. आप जो भी हो, हम कैसे भी हो, we are special, right? We are special. We have to think ourselves that we are special. है ना? So hearing everything, Ella was very happy. Mother Elephant hugged Ella with her long trunk and gave a huge smile. So hearing everything, all these points, Ella understood that okay, I am happy that I am an elephant. Okay, so there is a small moral in the story. You know what? It is that you are very special just the way you are. हम जैसे भी हो, वैसे भी जैसे भी हो, we are special, है ना? Right. So I hope you liked this story, this small story of our Ella the elephant. Thank you, and please be safe at your home with your parents. Okay, my dears? Thank you.